Gigantic, mind-blowing, superb, outstanding. Well, I'm sure you would say something like this after seeing tour of my newest listing in Milton on 500 Parent Place in demanding Ford neighborhood. This is Sanjay Gupta, broker with eXp Realty, top 1% broker across GTA. BNNLI, brand new, never lived in. That means this house is ready to be unboxed by one of you. Aren't you excited to know more about my listing? Built by Country Home, who always delivers the best in quality and finishes. All brick and stone, no vinyl slidings, solid construction from all the angles. Semi-detached with such space is uncommon in Milton. It has 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms with extraordinary 2300 square feet plus upstairs and 700 square feet of the finished basement. Comes ready with 1 full bathroom and additional laundry, rough-in, kitchen rough-ins and side entrance so that you can make that extra income from this basement. No issues with the parking as it has got 3 designated parking spots with 1 more possible in front of the house, and that will make it a 4 car parking spots. I can't wait more to show you the inside of this beautiful home. Let's walk in. Soaring 10 feet ceilings in foyer plus 9 feet ceiling on rest of the main floor. I welcome you to this beautiful living room that comes with space for any size of furniture. Very functional open concept floor plan. Look at this beautiful kitchen. This home certainly feels like bigger detached home. Chef's kitchen has plenty of upgrades like upgraded granite countertops, expensive stainless steel appliances with 36 inches stove, smart refrigerator, smart dishwasher which you can operate with your smartphone as well. Upgraded faucets, extended cabinets, upgraded handles and more. This kitchen is sure to delight all your family needs. Welcome to this huge dining room which is good to fit 8 to 12 seater dining table. You can in fact divide this area and create another living room as well. Again, very huge space comes in handy here. Full of natural light, smooth ceilings, bigger windows and many more features on this main floor. Phew, let's go upstairs now. Upstairs laundry, the dream of the family to wash their clothes before going to the bed. Very handy. 4 full-size bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms upstairs, enough for the largest family as well. Huge master bedroom has plenty of windows for natural light flow and full 5-piece ensuite to welcome you. The other 3 bedrooms are generous in size and can fit in queen and or king bed in each of them. Best value for any family, isn't it? Last but not the least, this basement. I really want to highlight this basement because it is finished and also has got everything to generate income by renting it out. It has got builders done side entrance, builders done full bathroom, builders done large windows, builders done laundry and kitchen rough-ins. Create 2 bedrooms and install kitchen and start renting it out and start generating that extra income. Overall, this is 3000 plus square feet home which can serve any growing family. Since it is brand new from reputed builder, it comes with 7 years of Terran warranty which will help you fix any minor or major issues free of cost with the builder. I want you to join us at the open house this weekend between 2 to 4 p.m. If not, you can call us and set up a private viewing as well. We are available for any questions that you may have for this listing or any other listing in Milton or no market in general. Please call us. Guys, don't delay. Pick up the phone, dial my number at 647-313-7321. Remember to make a smart move with Sanjay. See you at the next listing.